Okay, so rational number practice. The first thing we're going to do is make a fraction decimal percent. Does everybody remember how to put this in your calculator?
Yes.
What do? Open parentheses, then put 0.3 close parentheses. How do we get that 2 up there?
X2.
X squared. Okay, so you might as well just practice it again. It's not going to hurt you. It's only going to help you remember. And then we do what? Push what? Enter. Okay? So what do we have now?
0.09.
Is that a decimal?
Yeah.
All right, so we can put it here, right? Decimal, 0.09. Okay? Now we need to turn it to a fraction. What are we going to do? Push what? Math. Enter. And what do we get?
900.
9/100. Okay? Now we need a percent. What are we going to do?
9 divided by.
I would do 0.09. Remember, a decimal to a percent times 100. It's the decimal that you take times 100. And you get what? 9. So 9, and what sign do I need? Percent sign. Consecutive integers. What is an integer? Come on, let's go. What's an integer?
Negative and positive numbers.
Negative and positive. What kind of numbers? Whole numbers, including what? 0. Okay. What does the word consecutive mean?
Oh, it's the whole numbers that it falls between.
So one after another. Okay? Consecutive means one after another. So I need the 2 consecutive integers that this decimal is between. 0 and 1. Okay? It's that simple. All right? Okay, let's go down to number 2. Down here at the bottom, give a rational number between each given pair of rational numbers. Justify your response. All right. So, rational number means I could make it a fraction, a decimal, or a percent, couldn't I? Well, fraction or decimal, actually. All right. Rational number is a fraction, a decimal, a whole number. Any of those numbers are rational. So, remember before you had to do what to these? Either turn them into decimals or find a common what? Well, let's just turn them both into decimals because that's easy for us to do, isn't it? So what do we do to turn 9/16 into a decimal?
9 divided by 16.
16 hit what?
Enter.
And I'm just going to write this right here as my justification. I'm going to put 0.5625. Everybody writing that in their justification? Okay. Remember, a rational number turns into a fraction, correct? So let's look at 7/12. What is 7/12? 7 divided by 12.
5.8.
Okay, so I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to write 0.5833 repeated. And I did it out to this digit because what number I need has to go between these and has to be able to turn into a fraction. So between 5/6 and 5/8, what number is really easy to do? So let's see if 0.57 will turn into a fraction. Math, enter, and does it?
Yeah.
So I found one. 0.57. Easy enough? Because it went right here, didn't it? And it was in between. Okay, because we needed something that would go in between that would turn into a fraction, and it turned into 57/100, didn't it? Okay? All right, this is your job today. You have about 25 minutes to finish it.
The whole paper?
The whole paper. It shouldn't take you very long once you get going. You've got a calculator. It's going to do all that calculation for you.